made this like tomato chili sauce. And I'm gonna toss the tofu in it after I do a quick fry of the tofu. I didn't put cornstarch in this though, but I'm gonna put cornstarch in the tofu. We gotta drain tofu. Look at that. Brought it to the sink to drain it out.
You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine. You swore that you would never break my heart. You wasted all my time. You told me lies behind my back. I don't know where I'm at. You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine. You swore that you.
I'm gonna further drain this. There's still some liquid. As you can see, this paper towel is getting wet because there's still some liquid.